It looks old, but kind. Do you think it helps people?
Let's find out together.
The light makes the road clear.
Yes, now we won't get lost.
This lantern is special.
I feel it too.
Wow, look at all the fireflies. Yeah, it's so pretty. Let's go see what's ahead. The bird fell from its nest.
We can help. Let's put it back safely. Good teamwork.
Hey, little one, are you okay?
Don't worry, we'll protect you.
Chirp, thank you.
Aw, you're welcome.
This bridge is narrow.
Go slow. I'm right behind you.
We can do it.
Together.
What a beautiful day for an adventure.
It sure is. I love exploring with you.
Me too. Let's go. Wow, what a beautiful forest.
It is. I love exploring with you.
Me too. Let's see what's ahead.
Oh no, it's stuck.
I'll help.
You're fast. Teamwork is faster. Hey Fox, ready for our adventure?
You bet. I know a great path.
Awesome, let's go. The fog is thick.
But the light shows the way.
I feel safe.
That's the lantern. Let's go explore. Woof, adventure. Stick with me, buddy.
Your leg hurts. He needs help. Rest here. You're kind.
You're so friendly.
Follow us.
Okay, let's go.
The wind is strong. Stay close.
I won't drop the lantern.
Good.
Are you lost?
Yes. Follow the light.
We'll guide you. Hey there, little guy. Come on. Wow, he's coming to you. He's so friendly. Let's keep going. The climb is hard, but we're strong. We keep going.
Yes.
What a beautiful sunset.
It is, and the air smells so fresh. Let's keep going.
Adventure awaits. The duck is stuck.
Careful.
You're free now.
Good job.
Ready for an adventure?
Let's go. Come on, little guy.
This way.
Today was long, but good.
Helping feels nice.
It always does.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Keep watching. The bridge is broken.
We can cross. Let's go slowly. Together.
Ready for our adventure, buddy?
You bet.
Let's go. The forest is so beautiful.
It really is.
The storm is loud.
But the light is strong. We're okay. Yes.
Don't worry. We'll find shelter soon. Okay, it's so wet. Stay close to the light. It's stuck. Push here. You're free!
Nice work.
What a beautiful day. Yep. Let's keep exploring. Good friends. The water is rising.
Move fast.
I'm coming.
Good.
They look like stars.
Tiny stars.
This is beautiful.
Yes.
Wow, look at all these lights.
They're fireflies. They're magical.
Let's follow them.
Yes, let's go.
Are you lost?
I smell home.
Let's help you.
Yes.
Ready for an adventure? You bet! Woof, woof, woof. Let's go!
Right behind you!
We found your puppy.
Thank you.
Helping feels good. Yes. What a beautiful night for a walk!
It is. I'm glad we're together.
The lantern is brighter because you helped others.
Really? Yes.
This tree feels special,
It protects the forest.
like the lantern.
Yes.
Hello there. Are you lost?
No, just exploring. It's magical tonight.
Let's go look together. Watch out!
Oh!
You're safe.
Thank you.
Ready for an adventure, little buddy? Let's go explore. This place is warm.
And safe. I like this.
Me too. The lantern is changing,
It shows kindness.
so that's its power.
Yes.
Wow, look at all the sparkles.
It's so beautiful.
Let's go explore. I'm right behind you. The world feels brighter.
Because you helped others.
I'll keep helping.
Always.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment.
Thank you for watching.
See you next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.